In the heart of Tamil Nadu stands a 1,000-year-old engineering marvel, the Brihadeeswara Temple, where ancient builders placed a stone weighing over 80 tons on top of a 216-foot tower, with no cranes, no machines, and no mortar. How did they do it? Let's unravel the mystery behind India's big temple. This is the Brihadeeswara Temple, also called Peruvudayar Koval, or simply the Big Temple. Built over 1,000 years ago by the great Rajaraja Chola I in 1010 CE, it's a testament to the power, ambition, and vision of the mighty Chola Empire. Dedicated to Lord Shiva, this temple is not only a spiritual center, it's a symbol of architectural genius. The temple's central tower, or vimana, rises an astonishing 216 feet, still one of the tallest in the world for a temple built entirely of stone. And at the top sits a massive monolithic granite capstone called the Shikhara, or Kalasha, weighing an estimated 80 to 100 tons. Here's the mystery. How did artisans in the 11th century lift this massive block, 22 stories high, without cranes, steel pulleys, or modern tools? Historians and archaeologists believe the Cholas constructed a massive inclined ramp stretching over 6 kilometers, starting from a nearby village called Sarapalam. Using elephants, wooden rollers, and manpower, the giant stone was slowly rolled up the ramp to the top of the tower, a feat requiring extreme precision, planning, and coordination. This technique mirrors ancient Egyptian pyramid construction, showing the global intelligence of ancient engineering. But the capstone isn't the only wonder here. The temple features a 13-foot tall Shiva Linga carved from a single stone, a 25-ton Nandi bull statue, also monolithic, beautiful frescoes and murals in the inner corridors, entirely interlocking stone construction, with no binding mortar used. And even after a millennium of monsoons and invasions, the temple still stands tall, a testament to Chola engineering and devotion. The vimana is built so perfectly that its shadow never falls on the ground at noon, a result of precise astronomical alignment. Every element of this temple, from the acoustics to the ventilation, follows principles of Vastu Shastra and ancient geometry. The Brihadeeswara Temple is more than stone and sculpture. It's the story of a king who wanted to touch the heavens, and a civilization that made it happen. The capstone atop the vimana is not just a rock, it's a symbol of the ambition, brilliance, and spiritual depth of ancient India. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more forgotten science, sacred spaces, and India's greatest wonders.